Hi everyone, Antrita this side. Welcome back to AV Automation Hub. So many of you have been asking me about my online course, asking me, Antrita, I missed your live training, so what's next? Well, good news is I'm launching a new course on Cypress plus K6. This complete course combines everything which I have covered in my live sessions. Basically, you will get to learn web automation, API automation, load testing using K6, JS basics, BDD using Cucumber, and CI/CD sessions for using GitHub Actions and Jenkins. And the best part is these are not any boring pre-recording tutorials. These are the recorded sessions from my actual live training. So you will get that real classroom vibe, live debugging, and hands-on explanation. So let me show you the course content, what is covered as part of the course. First is JS fundamentals, where I have covered how to set up Node, how to install VS Code Editor, what are variables, what are data types, operators, conditional statements, loops in JS, arrays, functions, classes and objects, and promises and async wait. Apart from the videos, there are also some notes which will be shared. Then moving to the next module, what is covered? Cypress basics, Cypress architecture, how to install and set up, how to write your first test. Then moving on to the next section, which is core features, how to find CSS locator, what are the different Cypress commands, what are assertions, handling UI elements like drop down, checkboxes, radio buttons like that, fixtures, test data management, and custom commands. Once this is covered, then we have moved to the advanced topics in which you will get to learn about API testing, what is get, post, put, patch, delete. You will get to learn about some advanced scenarios like pagination, iframe, web tables, Excel reading, and multi-tab. So once this is completed, the next section is basically about the framework development, as part of which we have covered how to design a framework using page object model, how to create custom commands so you can reuse them in your test files. Then so I've also covered BDD using Cucumber. There are test cases which are covered using Cucumber. And then for the reporting, I've covered Mocha Awesome and Cucumber HTML report, in which you will see the reporting with the screenshot of the field test cases. Apart from this, I've also covered Git in detail, and then I have covered about the parallel execution, how it covered CI/CD using Jenkins and GitHub Actions. So there are around 4 to 5 sessions which are only dedicated to CI/CD. Then we have covered the Slack integration, where you will get a notification in Slack. And apart from this, there is also session on the cloud execution using Cypress Cloud. Then once the Cypress is completed, you will learn about K6 fundamental introduction to the performance testing, how to install K6, how to set up K6, and what is the script structure. Some basic terminologies, what is virtual user, what is metrics, what is threshold, with the actual real-time demo. In this, you will learn browser load testing and API load testing both. And then you will also learn about the cloud execution, result analysis, and CI/CD integration. So as part of this course, you will get the access to the GitHub link, you will get the recorded session, and you will get the access to the notes. All right. So this is about the course content. If you are interested, if you want to buy this course, what you have to do, you have to fill this Google form in which you have to fill the basic details like your email address, full name, and some other details. So once you fill this form, I will send you the further details over the email or over the WhatsApp. It's a full end-to-end learning path, which is explained in very simple language. And in case you're not able to join the live batch because of the time, then this is your best alternative, because this course is currently at 20% off before October end. As part of this, you will get access to the structured notes and recorded sessions, and it will be a lifetime free access to the recorded session and your notes. So I will share the link in the description below in case you are interested. Fill the Google form and you will get the access to the recorded session. It's not only web, it's not only API, but it's web, API, and load testing. And apart from this, it also covers the basics of JS, BDD using Cucumber, and CI/CD. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching AV Automation Hub.